What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Gala. Gala Games. Currently, we're sitting at 42 cents. We're down about 7% on the day. I've added in some buy zones here for Gala. We're sitting at market cap of 2.93 billion. 24-hour volume 429 million. All right. If you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. Let's hop over into Gala Games. So we're here on the 1 hour chart. So we came all the way down to this level of support here at 0.041. Now I have entered a buy zone here. You could dollar cost, or you could mark it in if you'd like to. Our first one was at 48 cents. Our second one at 41 cents. So your average price should be sitting right around 0.449. Now we have trended into oversold on the hourly, as well as the money flow came down to the bottom here. But what might happen for Gala is we just bounce up and we hit this resistance from this trend line, and then we continue to roll over. Maybe we create a double bottom and then break out, or then we can come back down to this next buy zone here at 36 cents. So do keep an eye on that. If you do see a bounce here, watch this resistance level as well as this trend line. See all the support in this area can now act as resistance for Gala. If we pop over to the 4 hour time frame, you can see the money flow as well is almost in the floor, and that's usually when you're going to see a bounce. So I would anticipate a bounce relatively soon. You can see as well for the 4 hour RSI, we're absolutely in. Oh, sorry guys. We're absolutely in the floor on the 4 hour as well. And the last time we were in the floor like this, big bounce back to the upside. So I would anticipate a bounce relatively soon, whether it's from 41 cents or possibly down at 0.369 for Gala. Do keep an eye on this descending triangle. If I take this out, you can see we have broken down from this descending triangle pattern. So what you would do is measure your body, and that will give you your target. Wow, we'll take Gala all the way down to our buy zone here at at 20 cents, 0.204. So do keep an eye on that as well. It just won't come straight down, of course. If it were to make it down to that technical target, it will work in waveforms. And we're dollar cost averaging, so we're making profits along the way. All right, guys, now we'll quickly pop open Gala. Let's pop it open on the daily. Yeah, so you can see we've fallen out of this symmetrical triangle. So this is invalidated. And then we have that descending triangle, as you can see here. So if Gala breaks this low, then this Fibonacci will be invalidated as well. As you can see, it looks like we're coming down to the 55 EMA, which basically lines up with this swing low here. So let me drop a line in, which is coming in at about 36 cents, which is where our buy zone is for Gala. So that would give us a beautiful opportunity to bounce. We did get overextended from the EMA, so we're just going through a healthy correction. Looks like a little bit of an ABC. Come down, A, B, C correction, usually your C. And the C always comes down lower than the A. So maybe we'll come down to this level here for Gala Games. But I would watch our buy zones here, 36 cents, this swing low, where our wick came down to. It gave us a beautiful opportunity to bounce. We could also see a nice little bounce here from 41 cents. But I would watch this trend line of resistance. Previous support will most likely be flipped as resistance. So we may do a little something like this. We hit it as resistance. We might create a double bottom and break out, or we hit as resistance and we see continuation of the pattern. All right, guys, so that's basically it for Gala. Once we get going again, if we don't lose, let me quickly remove this. If we don't lose this swing low here, then we can give some future price targets based off the fib. I'll drop in the 1.618 at $1.41, and I'll drop in the 2.272 coming in at 247 for Gala. That's it for this one, guys. If you want access to over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, join the Discord, as well as the DCA charts are posted regularly. So if you want to stay updated, you want a dollar cost average into your trades, they're ready for you at any time. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up to the Patreon. All right, much love. Take care.